It says profile views. Welcome back, Igwe. Thank you. So profile views, people that have come on your website or come on your platform, the online presence that you created with our platform, and they've seen you, they've shared you. So portfolio views, portfolio likes, active users. I mean, the amount of people that are engaging you. Then shares. So we also provided a ways to, when the people come and see your online presence, if they like what they see and they like, maybe they know somebody that needs your work, somebody that is interested in whatever it is you offer, they can always just share your link to that person. So quick action, it says add new work, find creatives. This is coming soon. We are still working on that. We're trying to find a sorry for that, a nice way to put that in there for you. Browse jobs. So if you are looking for something peculiar to your work, you can always find that on the platform. Recent activities. So this tab here shows you what is it you've done. If you have updated your profile, if somebody has shared your link, somebody has interacted with you on this platform, it all goes here. And of course, you can always refresh, to check on maybe network delay or whatever that shows there. Performance this month, profile views, analytics. Every online presence now is asking for something analytical to see how much you are doing in terms of online presence, how many people are viewing your work, your engagement rate, portfolio completion. That's on our platform. Portfolios, of course, I would like to define or describe it as the number of works you have done. So say for instance, now I'm a software engineer. So for instance, if I have built a platform, if I have a work, and for a particular portfolio, I can have several works on it. Maybe as a software developer, maybe front end, I can say, okay, for this portfolio, I want to do front end works on them, so I can just load them up. I can also have another portfolio that I can just mix them up together, full stack. Maybe I can put my front end project and my back end project, whatever it is you want. But for this, we are catering more to creative in terms of artists, in terms of designers, in terms of writers. So I'm not an expert in that, but if you have different work that you worked on, maybe painting, maybe graphics, all of that, you can always put them under our portfolios. So recommendation, it says ways to improve your profile. So you say add more profile pieces, upload 3 to 4 works to showcase your range. I'm sure you get what that means. Add more portfolio pieces, add more portfolio pieces. So it's just telling you that in order for you to actually enjoy or use the product well, you need to add works, add portfolio.